Wardana Family. Wardana Family.
Ya man sallaita bi kullil anbiya, ya man fi qalbika rahmatul linnas, ya man allafta quluban
Wardana Family.
ya syafi'an ya Rasulullah, bi ummi wa abi wadaika sayyidi salatu wa
Wardana Family.
Muhammad ataita bisalam wal huda Muhammad habibi ya Muhammad ya rahmatan lil alamin.
Wardana Family.
Ya man halaita hayatana bil iman, ya man jamalika alamtal ihsan, ya man nawarta qulubana bil Qur'an, ya habibi ya syafi'i ya
Wardana Family.
ummi wa abi wadaituka sayyidi salatullah alaika ya nabi habibi ya Muhammad ataita bisalami wal huda Muhammad
Wardana Family.
ya Muhammad ya rahmatan lil alamin ya
Wardana Family. Wardana Family. Wardana Family.
Sallallahu ala khatamil anbiya Muhammad
Wardana Family.
rahmatul lil alamin Muhammad rahmatul lil alamin habibi
Wardana Family.
ataita bisalami wal huda Muhammad habibi ya Muhammad ya rahmatan lil alamin ya Muhammad
Wardana Family.
Muhammad ataita bisalami wal huda Muhammad habibi ya Muhammad ya rahmatan lil alamin
Wardana Family. Wardana Family. Wardana Family. Wardana